So just a couple words that I'd like to share with you. So the legendary Charles H. Strout once shared these wise words with all of us. Fail early and fail often. As I sat down to write this speech, I made a list of everything our team accomplished this season. Then I thought to myself that these accomplishments would not have been possible without all the little hiccups each one of us made along our journey this season. So I sat down to make another list. A list of failures and hurdles we faced on this journey. And yes, I had failed up to show up to the preseason meetings on time and often disrupting the team stand-ups. I also failed to use the colors on the business operational slides correctly, making Mr. Karneski very upset and earning a valuable lecture on project management by doing so. I failed to aim the gear correctly into the robot several times. Sorry, Jack. We failed to stop Tiana from using Times New Roman. For the team merchandise, this resulted in a lot of crisis across the team. We also failed to reduce the number of CNC bits that broke, thanks Strout, Kyle, and Thomas. We failed to agree on whether we wanted calzones, pizza, or Subway every single weekend. Food could be so much trouble. We failed to utilize the expense tracking sheet, leaving the business team buried in receipts, so thank you, everybody. So you see now, these are only a few of the failures I extracted from the list I made, but you get the point. So if it weren't for all these failures, though, throughout the season, we would have failed to learn from our mistakes. With every mistake, our team landed in a place of teachability, a place which we were more receptive to new influences and perspectives. So as a result of each of these bumps along the way, discussions were ensued, new ideas were brainstormed, and problems were solved with effective communication and collaboration, just like the first organization wants us to do. So it's not an understatement to claim that the team performed above and beyond this season, because we did. It was through these mistake and then learning process, our team made our way to success. We fulfilled almost every one of our goals and we set out for, and we made it to the end of the season with flying colors. Not only did we build one of the coolest competition robots this season, but we also won the North Shore District event as an Alliance Captain, the Engineering Inspiration Award, the Entrepreneurship Award, and multiple pit safety awards. Good job, Ellie. Our success can be measured beyond more than just the awards that we won at these events, and our growth can be seen through all the lessons we learned. With the project management skills we implemented this year, we improved dramatically with time management and communication too. So with the new sponsors and connections we made, and another 10,000 wristbands we ordered, and we made so many new memories that I'll always remember. Robotics has truly been an amazing experience. And through my years on the team, I've gained so many new skills, friends, and memories that I will forever treasure. Thank you so much for a great season, Team Force 4761, and make sure to always fail early and fail often.
Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you all a few words tonight as we finish off this fantastic 2016 or 2017 season. In a similar vein to what she had just said, we've had lots of moments of failure this season. As expected, it's FRC after all, but also good ones of great success. She mentioned we won the North Shore District event, won Engineering Inspiration Award, and we made lots of great strides as a team. Many have said this season has been the most successful of our seasons in our 5-year history, and no, I don't say that because I was the technical president this year. While it was great to reflect on the successes and failures of our seasons, actually I already did that in her speech, so I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'd like to focus on the changes we've gone through this past season, and also the past 4 years the class of 2017 has spent on Team 4761. Our team has gone through much upheaval this past season. Leadership structure, organization, new faces, design processes, the list goes on and on. Nearly everything has changed. Perhaps the only things remaining constant after this last year was our building of a half-functional practice robot. Because don't worry guys, we'll finish it after back day, I promise. And Mr. Strupp having a staring contest with the CNC for hours every night. To me, my favorite part of being on this team for 4 years is the ability to look back and think about the amount of change I've witnessed and helped cause on this team. Friendly reminder to you all, we worked out of a closet my freshman year. I don't want to hear anyone complaining about not having enough space out in that shop until you've lived with that for a season. Today, there's only a handful of students and mentors that remember those days when you couldn't get a workout simply by walking from the shop to the pad. Every year as we seniors graduate, this team's early days become fainter and fainter in our memories. Next year, maybe Jake is going to talk at this banquet about being the last class to remember a shop without the ear-piercing drone of a CNC cutting through aluminum on the daily. While I think we're undoubtedly better off than where we were at 4 years ago, I hope that this current and future members of Team 4761 get to experience and cause the next big changes for the team. It's been an honor to serve as your technical president this season and to have helped make at least a few of those changes for the better. I'd like to thank all the mentors, the parents, sponsors, and my fellow team members especially for making all of these changes and for making us have a fantastic season this year. Thank you all, and never stop changing for Rockets.